Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and right now I'm going to be doing the manual for the Sharp projection alarm clock with sleep sounds. Okay, so for those of you that need the manual for a really quick reference guide, and you might have thrown it away, here you go. Okay, well, there you go. That was a quick video. It's going to be for the Sharp projection alarm clock with 8 sleeping soothing sounds. All right. There's a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful for you guys. And be sure to check out my YouTube channel and all my playlist videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.